Hello guys, this is Damodaran from Calcutta University. For today's subject, we have started static analysis using R programming. For this courses, there is have a totally six COSs, that is a course outcome. For the first course outcome, that is a very basic part. We have studied about this subject for basic all knowledges. For understanding the basic all programming languages, so before starting this subject, we have know little bit some programming knowledge. If you know C or C++, Java, you have easily to understand. If it is not there, no issues. There is uh, you have to try. Then easy to understand this subject. Then additional some knowledges. If you know the statical analysis problems and data using handling techniques, you can easily understand all the programs. Okay, let them enter the subject. So for this subject, there is have a six units. The first unit is the introduction. For this unit, we have study basics parts, how to handling the software, how to execute the programs, what are the variables you can use, what is the functions, how we can work with the programming. All the basic part we have in the first unit. So let them start with the first unit. For the first unit, the first topic is basics of R. Okay, let them enter the topics. So, what is R? Okay, you have any idea about R? So, R is a programmatical language. So, it's mainly focusing used for a data analysis. So, data analysis, the terms is very important. There is a data. There is a different types of data like audio data, video data. It is exactly for the number. So, you have to use the numbers going to be work with the analysis. So, analysis means there is a combinations and comparatives of the data. We have to make analysis. So, and we have representing the data as a graphical. So, we can use for graph and waveform or any signals we have to represent. So, this subject mainly work with the programmatical as a very interesting. Okay. So, the programmatical you have to download the subject softwares or materials. Just I mentioned the site name. You just use it www or projects.org. It's going to be help you understanding more topics. Okay, so the basics two components of this subject from using R, that is the basic system and a user contribution. So R am a users, you have to use the contribution. Okay, let them. So who are all using this software? That's the main question. So then only you have to giving the more importance of this subject. Okay, so mainly focusing for researchers who are all doing a research. They are using for the developing purpose from the countryside and also using for the many aspects. They are go with the statistical part of using this art programming. Okay, so it is a freeware. So it is uh, going to be take online as very free. There is a no cost payment. They have a download from the internet. Okay, so first you have to download this software. You just go with this site. There is http cran.org projects. So in this content, you have to use the downloading the softwares. So this software is operating system based. So all the operating system can support this software. Suppose you have used Linux or Mac OS or Windows, it's every OS can support this software. So if you need based on the operating system, you can download it. Okay. So there is a content for 32-bit and also 64-bit. So both 32-bit version, 64-bit version exe file is there. So based on your need, you have download a thing. Okay. So finally, once download this software, we can start the execution. Okay. So one more thing, there is a helping process. So if suppose you are not able to download, there is a help content is there. You just go with this manual. So you can download the helping. It's going to work with the programs. Okay, so first we have started the program download step by step procedure. So once you open the www.rprojects.org site, you may see this page. So once if you got this page, you have selected the server version. So I am choosing uh, Australian version. You just see I am mentioning from the particular box. You just select that one.
Once you got, you go to the next screen. Okay, so I'm using Windows version. So if you use Windows version, you can use the same. Otherwise, Linux or Mac OS, you can try the same. Okay. Next, there is a important. There is a two parts from the. I already told there is a two version. That is base version and convert version. So once if you select the base version, it's going to be distributing the base part. Okay. So I'm select the base. So next, there is R version. So right now I'm updating the version R 2.7.0 for the Windows version I'm using. So once if you select this one, you may get the exe file for R programming. Okay. So right now I'm going for installation. So it's a step-by-step installation. Once you do the steps, select the based on your menu you have selected. Finally complete the installation. Okay. So once if you completed installation, next we have started for package selection. Okay. So our programming is fully based on packages. So if you know Java, you know very well from the what is mean packages. Okay. R is a build up packages. So we have to use n number of packages already in building. Suppose if you add any new packages for your programming, it's very simple. There is a format is there using packages name mention it. You can download it and add it the packages from your programming. Okay. So the already default packages are there. So you have to use those packages also. So suppose there is packages with several projects. See here there is a central R networks supporting genomic, then other softwares. So there is a different packages are there. All the files are in zip format. Okay, you have to download and attach the packages. Okay, next I go with the next slide. So so this is a very important how to get new packages. So I told you now, suppose if the package is not there, how you may get the packages. So simply package that package name you have to mention. So you may get the packages. Okay. So the packages function. See one more very important. I forgot to say that the thing is there is a program to work in the command mode and also graphical mode. Okay. So the function can work with the command mode. Saying one by one is everything from the command mode part. Okay. So this is a package installation procedure. So install that package within the double quotation. You may check the package name. Okay. You have mentioned the package name from this location. You may say, suppose gplot is one of the packages, numpy is one of the packages, panda is one of the packages. So all the packages are supporting from our R programming. Like a Python is one of the packages. So it is also have to be used. This is the example packages I said. So install dot packages within the double quotation. You may mention the package name. Okay. So from all the packages already available in the CRAN project this website. So I'll mention the website name. You just go and see from that website also. Once the packages is installed, okay, for your programming, once your package is installed, then you have to check the package is installed or not. How you can check? For the second, the library within the double quotation, the names are mentioned. If the name is showing, if the name is mentioned there, if it is showing, you may get the acknowledgement message. Suppose your package is not properly installed or any installation issue is there, that time the packages message also may get. So you have to understand our package is properly installed or not. Okay. So next I'll see the by how to work within the download the browser. Okay, see in this diagram by help of HTML we can see that first page. So statistical analysis part. So in this first page there is selected. See here the selection of this part. So an introduction to R. So all the basics part, how the procedures, basics content, everything already defaultly there. If you need additional, they you may get from this link. Okay. See, I told you now. So for this rectangular representation, there is the main basic parts. All the links will be here. Okay. This is the first page. You just go and check. You may get the part. Next, what are the default packages are there? how you may use the, so n number of packages. So you have to see the name of packages. You just select this packages menu, you may get all the detail. Next, search engine wise like keywords. So all the packages details, here there is a n number of packages. In these packages you have to select the what are the sub packages are there. So documentary wise the sub packages, see here, GNEPLOTTER. So genuine plotter packages and sub packages are mentioned here. So the next, search engine. Suppose we are not able to identify the packages, we may use to find the keywords. So the search engine is help to searching the uh, content by help of the keyword. So you may select this link and mention the terms. You may easily identify the location or file or document you may get from here. Okay. Next. So once your R program is execution or installation is fully completed, you may get the final window. It is the R console window. So it is your final window. You going to be work with R programming here only. So this is the part we can say this is a console window or command window. Okay. So once you may get this icon, so the greater than symbol icon, if you see your program is properly completed. Okay. So the execution program this console window. So if you need to have to change the color of the background, you may use the final blue link line. It is be there. Okay. Once you may got this prompt, you have started to executing your program. Okay. So the program we have see from the upcoming classes. So these are the references and textbook you have to use. Just go and get more detail from this books. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We have seen the next class. Thank you.